G'day, here's a small parcel of Boulder Opal from central Queensland, probably the Winton area. The material's been wetted to help show the colours and the rules in millimetres. The first piece, blues and a few greens through here. Second piece, couple of different faces. Slice this through here, get that bit. Gonna lose that though, and then end up with a pattern of blues, oranges there. And then lucky last, a little piece of interesting colour. It's got a bit of orange staining in the stone by the looks, but there's some pretty colours through here. Just see if I can get them to work on the camera. Seeing a bit more, I think, with my eye rather than what's coming up on the screen. That's the back side. But anyway, 3 little pieces for you to have a go at cutting some boulder. Hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.